My name is Vasiliki Tsaknaki. I'm an assistant professor at the IT University of Copenhagen in Denmark, and I will present the work I did together with my colleagues Kelsey, Pavel Karpashevich, and Pedro Sanches at KTH Royal Institute of Technology in Stockholm, Sweden. In this paper, we report on a collaboration between a singer, Kelsey, and interaction designers exploring, through Soma design methods, how non-habitual breathing patterns can be sensed through muscle movement occurring on their torso, and how to capture the nuanced somatic experience of breathing through sensing technologies. In the context of our research, non-habitual breathing refers to the process of defamiliarizing one's breathing through Soma design methods, but also to how somatic experiences of breathing cannot always be mapped to breathing patterns that biosensors are most often designed to capture. We present a detailed articulation of an autobiographical Soma design exploration focused on sensing technologies for capturing biodata from breathing, including the adaptations we made to off-the-shelf sensors, a wearable strain sensor and an electromyography sensor, EMG. These explorations resulted in the breathing shell prototype, designed firstly for capturing the wearer's breathing in the muscles showing on the top right, and secondly for giving the sensation of tangibility of the act of breathing. This is experienced as shape change actuation evoked through custom-made sensor-actuator Pilows placed on top of the muscles that contract and retract while breathing. We contribute with two implications for designing with biosensors from a Soma design perspective through a process that prioritizes diverse felt experiences when working with sensing mechanisms. The first is to engage with biosensors through reflecting on the somatic experience of being sensed, in tandem with the data captured, and the second to use actuation for deepening one's understanding of how the Soma relates to or with a biosensor when engaged in complex bodily functions. For a period that lasted about 5 months, we engaged in an autobiographical design process of exploring sensing non-habitual breathing through Soma design. We worked closely with a somatic connoisseur in this context, the author Kelsey, and we practiced 3 non-habitual breathing exercises led by her with the intent of defamiliarizing this bodily function. The exercises helped us to become attentive to the act of breathing and to imagine and explore new ways of using sensors to interact with it. They can be found as supplementary material to our paper in ACM. From the explorations with the sensors, we became curious about how the tangibility of sensors, experienced as pressure applied against the skin, could create a tactile somatic experience of being sensed. In order to explore this further, we developed a new type of shape change sensor actuator mechanism for this context, seen in the figures. We programmed each pillow to deflate when pressure is applied on it and inflate when there is no pressure applied to its surface. Thus, we created a mirrored effect of the degree of inhalation-exhalation to the shape change material. The breathing shell has 5 shape change pillows and evokes 2 distinct experiences: total interaction integration and total disruption. The first refers to how the responsiveness of the pillows added to the somatic experience of feeling like a body within a body when wearing the shell. The second, as articulated by Kelsey, refers to the sensation of being trapped within her own body or within someone else's body as the pillows inflate to their maximum volume. The design implications we offer can help designers working in the space to achieve a match between what bodies experience when being sensed, how different bodily areas such as muscles participate in a bodily function, and what sensors are able to capture in relation to the felt experience of being sensed. To conclude, our research opens a design space on working with biosensing technologies from a somatic first-person perspective that can expand from breathing to other bodily functions. Our implications lay the groundwork for others to delve deeper into the space and explore further how to design for the somatic impact of being sensed. Thank you for listening. Please read our full paper, and we're looking forward to your comments, feedback, and questions.